how to create Instagram carousel post with Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Canva app right here. And then once we open our Canva, the next thing that we need to do is to click on the plus icon on the bottom middle part of the screen. So click that. And then in this part, what we're going to do on the search bar is to search for Instagram post. After that, you will be able to see it right here, which is a 3x4 post, which is 1080 by 13px. So what we're going to do here is to create, let's say for example, you want to create a 4-picture carousel post on your Instagram. So what we're going to do next is to go back into this part. And then what we're going to do is to click on custom size. So for the width and height, since we're using 1080p by 1350px, what we're going to do is to multiply 1080 by 4, and then that will leave us with 4320. And then for the height, we will just leave it as it is, so it is 1350. And then after that, just click on go, and then the canvas will now be created, which is right here. So what we're going to do here is to divide it into 4 pictures. So what we're going to do is to click on the 3 dots, which is right here. And then in this part, just click on settings, which is right here. And then after that, just click on add guides. And then what we're going to do is to click custom. And then we're going to divide it into 4 columns, which is right here. Click on next. And then after that, just click on done. So let's say, for example, that you want to create a carousel picture of dogs. So what we're going to do next is to go into elements. And then on the elements, just search for dogs right there. And then after that, just look for the photos that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this picture right here. So let's adjust this. And we're going to split it into 4 pictures, which is right here. So let's say, for example, that this is your post. So what we're going to do next is to go here on at the bottom and then just look for apps and then click on apps. After that, what we're going to do on the search bar is search for image splitter and then click on enter. After that, just click this one right here, this app of course, and then click open. Once you do that, just click on export design right here. And then for the JPEG, what we're going to do is to of course adjust the size if you want to. But of course, I will just leave it as it is and then click on export. After you do that, we're going to adjust the rows, which is 0 rows. And then we're going to adjust the columns to 4. After that, click split image. And then after that, as you can see, this is the image that we're going to use for our carousel post. So once we're done, just click save images to uploads. So what we're going to do is to go back into our home and then click on the plus icon once again. And then what we're going to do on the search bar is to search for Instagram post. And then click this one right here, which is the 3x4. After that, once you do that, what we're going to do is to add another 3 pages right here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now that we have 4 pages right here, we're going to go on our uploads. And then you will now be able to see the pictures that we have just saved. So we're going to add it right here. So we're going to adjust this. And then do this for the rest of the image. And then after that, once you're now done with this, just click this export button right here and then click on download. After that, choose the file type that you want. So I would just click download button right here and then let's wait for it to finish. Once it is saved into our gallery, what we're going to do next is to go into our Instagram and then click on the plus icon, of course, since we're going to upload it. So just choose the 4 photos that we have just added. So click on select multiple, this, click that, and then click this, and then click next. After that, as you can see, we now have created this image right here. And then once you do that, what we're going to do next is to click on next, and then click share, which is right here. And then let's wait for it to finish. So as you can see, we now have created a carousel post on our Instagram. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to create Instagram carousel post with Canva.